This is the very first handheld cellular telephone. You called it a mobile phone. This phone was capable only of one thing, talking and listening. The first phone call was made on the streets of New York, on 6th Avenue in New York, near the Hilton Hotel. And I really didn't think about who I was going to call until the last minute. And then it occurred to me that I ought to call my counterpart at the Bell system. And I said, Joel, this is Marty Cooper. He said, hi, Marty. Joel, I'm talking to you on a handheld cell phone, but a real cell phone. Personal, portable, handheld. There was silence on the other end of the line. I think he was gritting his teeth.